I'm Shelli Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. Welcome to my Whole Foods plant-based kitchen in Solana Beach, California. All right, so most of you know that Annie Parker Confidential has gone 100% whole food plant-based eating this year. Be sure to subscribe to my channel below because I'm going to be bringing you all sorts of key tips, key strategies, success stories, guest chefs, and all kinds of yummy recipes that will make you feel amazing and healthy. Okay, so today we have my Vanilla-Latte Chia beauty bowl. Now this is called a beauty bowl for two reasons. One, chia seeds are incredible for your skin. They're one of my radiance boosting foods. And we're also using one of my favorite adaptogens from Moon Juice, which is an adaptogen company that I really love. And it's very, very good for your skin. It's good for healthy skin and balanced energy. And who doesn't like that? It has a little bit of a sweet mapley flavor, which makes it really perfect with this really easy chia seed dish. Okay, let's wash our hands and then let me quickly show you how we made it. Okay, this is how easy it is. You're going to take half a cup of fresh brewed coffee. Now, here's the deal. You can have this, sometimes I'm just like over having a protein shake in the morning, but I also like to wrap it around my coffee. So this kind of kills two birds with one stone. You get your coffee and your breakfast. I'm gonna add a little bit of almond milk, right? So maybe 3/4 of a cup. And the recipe for this will be underneath the video description. I think that's 3/4 of a cup, let me see. Yes, almost. All right, so we're just going to add our almond milk. Now you can also use coconut milk if you like. That has a little more calories in it, so I usually like to use the unsweetened almond milk for myself. Then we're just going to add about a teaspoon of vanilla. That's about a teaspoon, I like to eyeball it. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of my Lucuma Skin Food by Moon Juice. And again, I'll put the link for this down below. But this is great for your skin. It promotes good skin health and balanced energy. And I love this company, Moon Juice. They're not paying me for this, you guys. I just like it and I like to share. Okay, and then I'm just gonna give this a little bit of a whisk. Just go like that. I'm going to put a little bit of maple syrup in here. This is a no sugar maple syrup. It's no sugar, sweetened with monk fruit that I put in here, just a little bit. And you can do it to taste. And then I'm just going to add my chia seeds to it. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator, let it sit overnight, and then I've got it in the morning. Now, you know, you can also serve this for guests when they come over if you have guests who are really healthy. And honestly, even if they're not, they will love this. But you can also make decaf. I don't know about you, but if I have coffee at night, I am literally staring at the ceiling all night. So I can't do that, but I can do a little decaf. So you can make that for guests and then just do a little whipped coconut cream on top with some coffee shavings or some no sugar chocolate on top. All right, and that is it. We're gonna put this in the refrigerator, let it sit overnight. That's it. All right, come on back and let me show you what it looks like.